What's going on, YouTube? Hope everyone's doing well this week. It's now Wednesday, January 12th when I'm recording. It's your boy, and I'm back with another update on TIME Wonderland. So, to get started, Sifu has joined Twitter. For those of you guys who are wondering who Sifu is and why I'm talking about this guy, Sifu is basically the CFO of TIME Wonderland. He is basically in charge of the funds in the treasury and allocation of funds with regards to investment opportunities and whatnot. All right. And he was also appointed by the DAO and people who voted. So, a little background information about Sifu. He has experience as a suit. He's very transparent about that, as he's told everyone in Discord. He's worked in the past with established VC firms and made a whole lot of money doing that. So you could trust that he's not only very experienced, but he has the credentials with regards to understanding how money works in this world and how to make it. All right. So he's now joined Twitter. So I really recommend you guys go and follow him if you guys are invested in TIME Wonderland, because he's going to be the guy that's basically playing with our money. All right. So with that being said, he didn't take any time to announce as soon as he joined Twitter that they've got the about 100 million tokens of BetSwap to distribute to the users of Wonderland Time. So just a fresh reminder, if you guys watched the previous episode or the previous video that I dropped, I confirmed that we were all getting an airdrop of BetSwap GG, the decentralized sports bookkeeping platform that Wonderland Time has invested in. All right, so here you can see that he's confirmed it himself, 100 million tokens ready to be airdropped this week. All right, and it's pretty straightforward. If you've got Time Memo or Wrapped Memo, you'll be getting this airdrop. All right, with that being said, moving on. Sifu didn't share it on Twitter, but in the Discord, he's also shared that we are getting a CEX listing. CEX meaning a centralized exchange. It could be Binance, Bybit, Coinbase. It's not been confirmed as of yet, but it is happening. And I believe it's going to be Wrapped Memo or Memo that's going to be listed. And the reason for that is if people are buying Memo, they're automatically eligible for rebase rewards. They don't have to understand how to go and swap their AVAX for Time on a decentralized exchange, get it into their MetaMask, then head on to wonderland.money and then stake it for Memo, right? By providing Memo for sale on exchanges, what you're doing is you're increasing exposure to those rebase rewards directly, which I thought was a pretty dope idea. And it brings us one step closer to people being able to just participate in this VC without having to go through that whole process, right? Which is really important. I think it's something that we need to work towards, and it's good to see that's being happening. All right, so Sifu joined Twitter, confirmed an airdrop. It's happening in the next week, and Memo is getting listed on an exchange. That's the biggest update, guys. With this airdrop, it's basically confirmed that Wonderland Time is the first VC fund operating for the frogs, in which about 90% or so of investment is being returned back to us. All right, so this is very exciting stuff. Moving on, last video I did mention that we are getting a possible airdrop because of the collaboration between Daniele and Andre from Phantom. Now, I just want to apologize real quick because it turns out that it's not 100% confirmed that Wonderland Time is getting that airdropped. It seems like it might be more so for people on Phantom, but again, it's not confirmed. It might be a joint thing. We'll see. Maybe we have an incentive where we move some of our Time or Memo and bridge it over to the Phantom network, and maybe that would make us eligible. But as of now, we're not sure. They're still working that out, and I'll be definitely dropping an update when we find out more information regarding that. All right, guys? So with that being said, that's the most recent updates with regard to the airdrop and Time Wonderland. I know prices are falling, but honestly, guys, like, we have to be patient, right? If you look at Bitcoin, we've been in a downtrend for 2 months, more than 2 months. So that just tells me that with the experience that I've seen in this market trading for the last 4 or 5 years, when Bitcoin's going down, guys, we can't really expect Time Wonderland or any other projects, really, no matter how good or exciting they are, how innovative they are, you can't really expect them to be trading upwards when Bitcoin is going down. Like 99% of the market follows Bitcoin. Bitcoin, we need to see a confirmation or breakout above this downtrend, and then we can probably see some action. All right, guys. Let's also address the fact that the treasury has reached $1 billion. So although the price of time is going down, a lot of these metrics are pointing up, which is really healthy and a good sign. I can only imagine when Bitcoin starts rallying up again, where some of these numbers are going to be. I'm just making a bold prediction myself. I think we're going to see a $2 billion treasury balance. We are going to 2x our treasury in 2022. All right. That's just me considering the fact that we've been able to reach $1 billion in a time when Bitcoin's lost 30% of its valuation. All right. And just to touch on the whole VC thing, it's been confirmed that in the first quarter of 2022, we're still going to see more announcements. They're still investing in new projects. This is not going to end anytime soon. So that's exciting. $1 billion treasury balance, 100 million tokens airdropping. All right. And I believe today we've seen a small bounce in Bitcoin. And just to give you guys a little hopium, Bitcoin's up 2%, Wonderland's up 10%. So there still is a correlation, guys. So this, if anything, excites me. I can't wait to see what the next 6 months holds, because I believe there is going to be a rally. We might still see Bitcoin drop to like the 30K ranges, and I'll be fine. I'm going to be buying a lot of degenerate coins at that low at that point. That's just me personally. None of this is financial advice, guys. All right. Don't invest more than you can lose. This thing can lose 50% of the valuation today. And if that's going to make you feel any type of way, it probably just means that you're overexposed to the market at this current time frame. All right. With that being said, guys, that's it for this video. If you guys appreciate these updates and want to hear more as soon as they happen with regards to Time Wonderland and the overall crypto market, be sure to subscribe to the channel. And until next time, peace.